It is 7:33 a.m. A little late start to the day. I'm exhausted, but let's get it, baby.
Damn. You know, I met a bad bitch the other night. Let me tell y'all a little about it. I was like, she's so bad. Got a name written all over my notepad. Every dollar in my pocket up for grabs. Blazing baddie, slim waist, nice ass. How the fuck you single? How these men treat you? How the fuck can somebody ever meet you and leave you? Gotta be a reason, and if it's a secret, come real close, tell me and I won't repeat. Don't let me and you get a room alone, cause something about you always get me in my zone. Finna put our phones on airplane mode. Let me hear it real loud, girl, I'll show you how I go.
So the plan is I'm gonna go to the gym here in my complex instead of the public gym because there's just too many people that go in the morning at my public gym, and taking the time to film will not probably be good for them. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit a nice little lift here, and then we're gonna get ready, get our daily bias going for our trading day. We're gonna get ready for our trading day. We're gonna get ready for the live stream, and we're gonna get some vitamins in. We're gonna get some fluids in, and I don't really eat before like 11 a.m. after I trade, so I'm not really worried about food. But let's get it, baby. Let's have a great day. Let's do it. So these vitamins right here literally save my life every day. I'm not sponsored. Hopefully one day I can be sponsored, but it's Isotonics. It has all these multivitamins in it and all these actual vitamins in packets like this. I just put them into a little bit of water every single day, and then I need it to start my morning. I really do. And then I obviously have some digestive stuff. Get your vitamins in, dude. Get your vitamins to start the day. Get your electrolytes in to start the day. Reminding me, I have to pick up a couple packages at the mailbox after the gym this morning. But let's get this in the water. Ew. Looks gross. Cheers. Oh my God. It really doesn't taste that bad, but it's like kind of fizzy and sour. I'm also gonna take some vitamin B12 because in the mornings I am really tired. I have a problem with sleeping. I really just can't go to bed, and I get terrible sleep. So try to get my energy from this in the morning to just start me off, get me running through the day, because honestly, once I'm going in the day and you know, I'm woken up, I already took a shower, I already went to the gym, I'm not tired anymore, you know, and then I feel it back at like 3 p.m. and then I get the night run. But yeah, just one of these in the morning does help under the tongue. All right, let's go to the gym.
Just settle back down. Got too high, don't know how to act now. Drink in your hand while you headed downtown, and your girlfriends hate me. Ask me if I even give a fuck. Say I'm reckless, say I'm heartless. In this gang, gotta learn to move cautious. You know I was never really trying to start shit, but your friends choose you regardless. So I care though, it ain't fair, so all you do is leave our problems in the air though. Our feelings been.
I'm being so serious when I say this too. Going to the gym in the morning has helped my trading exponentially, and I think if you know, are a morning person, or if you, excuse my hair, don't really feel good in the mornings and don't really trade well, go to the gym. All right guys, it's about 9-10 a.m. right now. We got about 15 minutes till we get on live stream. I'm gonna send out my daily bias. I'm gonna send out my Instagram story. I'm gonna make a TikTok on my daily bias. Make sure all of my students know what I think is going to happen in the market today. And other than that, I'm gonna get ready for the trading day, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Let's go. Oh, perfect. Having the worst hair day of all time. All right, let's have a good day. Let's do it. Right now I'm setting up my monitors. So I do 2 charts, so one here, and then my Discord chat right there. It just makes me kind of read chat while I'm streaming, and as well look at QQQ and NQ, and then ES SPY, whatever I'm looking at on 2 monitors. So I kind of have the choice to not switch and switch and switch, so I don't waste any time and miss an entry, you know? So let me take you guys through the daily bias that I go through. Right now, I see that we have a $2 gap on QQQ. Right now, pre-market, we're up here and we closed down here last night. So that is about a $2.50 gap. We might be able to fill that before it, we might be able to enter on that gap fill. As you guys know, we've been nailing the pre-market gap fill strategy and we're doing so well with it. So yeah, my bias right now is on NQ and QQQ. We are gonna manipulate down, sweep a low, and then we're gonna come fill that gap until 628 and then go back down from there. All right, I just sent my daily bias out. I got everything ready. I got my account set up. I'm ready to trade. It is 9:23. We got 2 minutes till we get on stream. I'll let you guys know how I do after the session. Let's get it, baby.
This is honestly getting stupid. This is stupid, bro. Top ticked the whole entire move, 100% on QQQ, 94 or 100 points on NQ, 94% on QQQ. $8,000 for me in the profits today so far, and it literally took 5 minutes. I don't know what else to say. Let's check the members' profits that took this trade. $1,000 past eval, $1,200, $400, $200, $1 million combined profits this year. This guy has 1,000x'd his Robinhood account in the last month. 1,000x'd trading with me. 155, 331, 100, 340, 1,015. By the way, he just got a payout today. $4,000 from K3. So Brian just got a payout from trading with me, 1,200 or 2,100. Let's see what the free chat says. How are you not in the damn inner circle yet? No, for all y'all missing out on the best money I've ever spent. I'm up 1,200. I can't trade a minute today. I need the strategy. I need a strategy. Shh. The strategy, the new one, the 3C's gap fill, Duke's gap fill, is not for everybody. If you want to top tick every single day, literally every single day, we top tick the whole entire day. We got into the trade right here, and we're right here right now. Like, I don't know, man. I'm gonna get recognized very, very soon, and this is insane. This is insane. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna get some food, maybe take a walk and get some work done, film some videos, and we'll see where we go from there. All right, I'm gonna have this sandwich right here. It looks like from Sprouts, chicken pesto sandwich. By the way, this is the goodie bag I just got from the mail. Santa Cruz, sponsor me. Electrolytes, ski goggles, because I'm going skiing in Utah next weekend, is it? I don't even know. Never been skiing before. That's gonna be crazy. Never even done any snow sports. Didn't grow up with money. Wasn't able to do that. But these are the goggles. These are pretty sick. I like have no clue what to get for like skiing and stuff like that. So these fire. These tough. And then a little ski mask, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's why it's called a ski mask. Okay. And then skiing socks, because apparently you got to wear certain socks. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna eat right now, and yeah, we'll see what we're gonna do after that. All right, guys. So basically, I've just been making TikToks, working on some videos for the past about hour. Take a second to go outside, appreciate the sun, breathe some fresh air. It's pretty cold outside today. It's in the 50s and 40s, but still beautiful. I'm so blessed. So blessed where I live, man. I'm grateful every single day. I'm gonna find time to journal and pray before the PM session, which is, right now it is 12:01. So we got about an hour and 20 minutes until the PM session where we're gonna look for a trade. But since we caught such a good trade this morning, there's not really anything to force. So we don't need to force anything in the PM session. So we're just gonna look. I'm gonna get on with my inner circle and talk to them and let them ask me questions and let my students, learn from me, because that's what it's about at the end of the day. It's not just me giving out call outs, it's me teaching. So I'm gonna make some TikToks. I'm going to post on Instagram, and I'm going to edit the new trading video that I caught this morning, and it's gonna be such a sick video. I can't wait for you guys to see that. Make sure you follow my Instagram, dukes.trading. I'm gonna get it unrestricted, don't worry. I'm never quitting at that. The 3Cs will never die. Instagram, Meta, watch your back. Dukes is not quitting. The 3Cs is not going anywhere. All right, guys, just doing some more editing, more work, more computer work, and just working on the back end stuff of
how I make this Discord so good for you guys. There's a lot of work that goes into it. You guys probably don't know, but I spend every second I'm not, trading in the markets on the education for you guys, on the videos, on how I actually do this and what my life is, right? And a lot of people don't understand that. And it really just feels good to kind of tell you guys right now that I really put my all into this. And as I'm doing right now, working on my video courses, working on my Instagram Reels, my YouTube, filming YouTube video right now just for you guys to see my morning routine, what I do in the day to be this successful. And it's not like we are trading to get out of the 9-to-5s. It's more like we're getting out of the 9-to-5s with trading, but it's just 24/7 now because we're an entrepreneur. And that's just the real of it. And I'm always gonna be honest with you guys and really just show the truth of his entrepreneurship and trading and just what it takes to really escape the matrix, right? Don't mind my finger. I was rock climbing, new side quest by the way, and ripped my finger in half. Yeah, I'm gonna work on this video. Probably hit a time lapse right here, so let's get it. All right, y'all, it's about 1:35 p.m. I'm about to go live for the PM session. Again, I do 2 times in my inner circle. I go live 2 times, once at 9:30 and then once at like 1:30, 1:40-ish, depending on price action. So we're gonna see if we can catch a PM trade here. If not, whatever. We already made thousands in the morning, so it doesn't matter. But we're gonna get on with the fellas, the family, and let's see what we can do.
I don't know how to act now. Drink in your hand while you headed downtown to your girlfriend's.
All right, y'all, just got done with PM session. We did not take another trade because there was no opportunities. Today was a crazy day in the market. We just dumped like a bunch and then never recovered. So there was no trades to take. But we did make $1,000 or $8,000 in the morning, 100 points and 94% on QQ. Crazy morning. This week has been so crazy, dude. We've gone crazy. I just feel it. Something clicked the past year where we have such a high win rate that it's like actually not believable. Like people don't believe us, and these models that I created, it's unreal, man. And the feedback I get from my members, you guys see it. I mean, all of you guys can check the comments, the Discord, the profitability program results. Like somebody just passed a funded who didn't even know what a futures was or options was, or even a funded account was a month ago. And let me just show you. So obviously this is my profitability program. One of my mentees, one-on-one, it's like hanging up my drawing on a community fridge. I did it really well from not knowing what a future or funded was to passing one. First of many to come. Thanks, Dukes. My next group of students is going to be insane. If you want to see if you're a good fit for the one-on-one program, which I don't really take many people, I only take the people that I want to take. First link in the description, see if you are a good fit, apply. I'll see you there. But yeah, my work was done for the day at literally 9:35 a.m. That was it. I could have done anything I wanted for the rest of the day, but I wanted to make TikToks. I needed to edit this video for Instagram. So other than that, like if you want to live this life as a day trader, yeah, I literally made $8,000 at 9:35 a.m. and I could have done anything I wanted the rest of the day. Like if I wanted to go play pickleball, freaking golf, whatever, I could have. And that's just the life, and I love it. I'm so grateful. So yeah, I'm probably gonna eat a little bit more, then I'm gonna go play some golf at our golf simulator here where I live. It may not look like it, but it is about 40 degrees out here in sunny Florida, but at least this is our view here. How beautiful is that? If you're ever sad, if you ever hate your life, move to Florida. All right, so the golf simulator was broken, so I decided to come out here and just chill, kind of just reflecting on my day and really just seeing, what I wanted more from today. I like to kind of reflect on my day every single day. I already journaled today. I already did everything, prayed, journaled, all that stuff. But coming outside, getting some fresh air, really just enjoying the fruits of my labor. Making money with trading is great and all, but if you're not enjoying it, then what's the point, right? But the golf simulator was broken and somebody was in there, so couldn't play golf. I might go play pickleball later, but yeah, this is my morning routine, I guess. It's now about 3 p.m. after the trading day, so I really don't have much to do after this except be an entrepreneur, make videos like this, make TikToks, talk to my group, and then Monday, Wednesday, Sundays, I have class with my one-on-one mentees, my profitability program. Today is obviously Tuesday, so I do not have that. But yeah, man, this is the life. It really is, and I'm not afraid to say it because I worked for it. And other than that, it's just, I am really blessed, I am. But I can't say it's not something I worked towards, and it took years off of my life. 2-3 years that I just hated everything, and I really grinded so hard to be where I'm at. And it is worth it. And I want to be as humble as I can about it, but at the same time, like, It was so hard, man. But if you're in this situation where you don't know if trading's a real possible thing and you don't know if you can actually be successful and get to where people like me are at with it, just know that it's possible, man. I want to be proof. That's the only reason I post all this lifestyle stuff and kind of where I live, what I have, is because I want the kid that I used to be. I want the person that was in my shoes that may be watching this to realize that it's possible. And that's something I needed, because I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have someone to guide me and not let me make the same mistakes that they did, like I am doing for my students. And as you guys saw, one of my students just got his first payout yesterday. One of my students got his first funded account passed. And it's just so good to see, because the strategy I made, the model I made, is just, it's changing lives, and it truly is. And that's the best part about it. So if you guys enjoyed this, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. I want to do more lifestyle content like this, day in the life vlogs. Let me know what you want. I try to do more educational stuff too, if you guys want my strategy stuff. But that's my morning routine. That's my day. And if you want to be just like this, you can. It is possible. If you want to be one-on-one mentored by me, I am opening up a couple more spots at the end of the month. Click the first link in the description to see if you are a good fit for my program. Again, I don't take anybody, I don't take everybody, so you're gonna have to apply. First link in the description. And other than that, if you want to live share with me every single day, also go to my Discord, free Discord in the description, and my inner circle in the description. There's a free trial, free 3-day free trial. If you want to see what it is, if you don't like it, cancel it, $0. But if you like it, stay, bank with us. And every single person that joins now is just making their money back, like literally in 5 minutes this morning, for a good example. But yeah, man, that's the life. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna be really big soon. Remember the name. It is February 3rd, 2026. And at the end of 2026, I will have 100,000 followers on Instagram. I will have 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I will have 100,000 on TikTok, and I will have over 10,000 people in my Discord. Remember the name. Dukes out. Peace.
Mr. Truest in